welcome to another episode of Clock Tips. I'm going to be doing some example solves today. So I've got 12 scrambles up on the screen there. I'm going to post them in the description. This is the first time I'm looking at them, so yeah. Anyway, then I'm just going to do them. So, first scramble. Alright. So, looking at the scramble, the first thing I see is this, these two pieces lined up. So you want to keep them on top, obviously. So looking at this first move, this is going to go here. So we're not going to get, this like really the only lucky case on this side. This side, it has all the pins up. So I'm probably not going to start on this side. But I see that when I flip it over this way, this just needs to go here, and then that needs to go here. So that's just +2 and a UR +2, and then I'll do DR 5+. So yeah, so I'll start on this side, plan that first two moves. I usually plan like the entire cross, especially when that's up there, and then solve it like that. So there's the first cross, and when I flip over, you know, I've already know those two moves, and then solve that, and then that there. And right here, I usually see it beforehand, but there are no corner skips. So then, yep, pretty straightforward. Alright, next one. Alright, this scramble, we have that, and we have all the pins up on this side again. So on this scramble, let's see. Alright, so what I would do on this scramble is I'd hold it like this, and because I have these two like that, and I would do this. I would hold it like this because this is just a DL2, which is a lot better than a DL3. Well, not a lot better, but better. And I'd start on this side for one reason. If I do this, I can use my secret technique, which I will make an entire video on, but basically, it'll skip this DL move. So if I put this pin up and do this, see, that's a DL move. But if I do that same move on this side, it turns into a UL move. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start here, do this, right, and then move that there, and solve that, whoops. And then when you flip over, the DL move has already been done. And I probably want to see this in a solve, but these two get solved. But I probably want to see that in a solve, so just do that. And then no corner skips again. Alright, solve 3. For this one, we have these two lined up, and we actually have a skip to 12 in this case. We actually have a 2-move cross in this case. This is a pretty lucky scramble. So I'd start on this side, obviously. So we have a 2-move cross, and then I plan this one. So this is 1 and then 5. So really lucky cross. Just do it like that. And when you flip over, you have this, and then you solve that. You actually get those skipped together. So this is no corner skips. So that was how much moves? 1, 2, so 3. That was like a 10 mover, which is pretty lucky. Alright, next scramble. For this scramble, we have no apparent lucky cases, so I just picked the best side that works. And you can't really use the secret method because for the secret method you either want 2 pins on the same side or 1 pin, but these are diagonal pins, so diagonal pins are the worst case for that, in my opinion. So I want to do secret method in this case. But right here, so this is pretty bad, but you know, this is gonna be my second side. But for this side, I'm just gonna do that. 2 moves to that, and 3, 4. And then we get another skip right here. And we actually get a corner skip. And I see the corner skip like right here. I'll probably see it right here. And so that means I'll just skip it. And with corner skips, you really want to look ahead, because at least, like, if you get, like, all the corner skip, of course you're going to get a pause, but if you get, like, 1 or 2, if you look ahead right, you'll be pauseless and you'll be able to take advantage of that corner skip a lot better. So you want to make sure to look ahead to corners a lot. There we go. On this scramble, we actually have this lucky case right here, and because it's a 5, and we have the diagonal corners, pins, so we don't want to do secret case method. So this way your D move is gonna be 5. This way it's gonna be 4. So I'm gonna hold it like this. We look at the other side. It's just a 1, and then the 4. So I'm gonna start on this side. Do the 5, 4. I probably do the 4 like this, and then that, flip, 1, 4, then select that one. No corner skips in this case, and there we go. Alright, so this next scramble, we've got a lucky case right here, but no lucky cases on this side. Probably want to do the secret method in this case. So here, just memorize that 5, and then the 3. So you could do 1, 2, 3, flip, and then 3 right here, that, and then you have no corner skips. Alright, next scramble. Alright, we have another lucky case right here with that, and then on this side no lucky cases. So in this case what I would do is I'd probably do the secret method in this case. So you have that goes there, and then when that goes there, when I flip it over, my next move is going to be 3 minus, I think. So I just trace that one move so I can predict the first move. So basically, yeah. So that's like a 5. So you do this 5. And for the opposite side moves, I look at the corners, so I see 5, it'll end there, so I do the 5, and then I'll put all these down, do that, flip, and like I said, the 3, and then we go there, no corner skips again in this case. Alright, next scramble. Alright, we have not many lucky cases, but because we have all the pins up, I'll do the secret case. Secret method. So right here, that's just like a 1. So that's a 1. So yeah, and then that's a 6. So we want to do the 1 like that, 4, 4, and then that like that. And we flip over, it's a 6, like I said. And we can do this. And right here, actually, like right here, I see I'll get 2 corner skips. So yeah, that was pretty lucky. Other than well, no lucky edge cases really, but 2 corner skips, which is pretty nice. Alright, next scramble. Alright, here we go. So no really lucky edge cases. But in this case we can do, I'll do the secret method. So right here, that's a 5. And then this will end up here. This will end up here, so I'll do the 5, basically. So yeah, this first move's 5. So 5, and then 4, and then that. Oops, I accidentally overshot. Then we flip over. Oh, I did the secret method wrong. Whoops. Let's try that again. Alright, same thing again. The 5 here. Except I did it the wrong way. See, I did it that way, but it's supposed to go this way. So, it's probably because I'm looking through the thing. Oh, I overshot again. It's so hard to solve a clock and look through this at the same time. Right, then you flip, and you have it like that, so you normally skip the DL move. And then all the corners right here are really close to each other, so corners pretty easy. Alright, next scramble. Alright, so here we have a lucky case here and a lucky case here. So I'll probably do something like this. So I'm going to save this side for the back. So basically just remember like the first few moves, which is 1 here, and then 5 to there, and then another 4 here. But here, I'll switch to DR, do that thing, and then you have that, which you can solve like that. Then we flip over, 1, and right here, you can see that you get a corner skip. Pretty straightforward. Alright, second to last solve. Right here, you can see we have these lined up and these here, so that's a pretty nice lucky case. And then we have those there. So basically, I'll probably, it's a very different scramble. Alright, so I'll probably start here, and remember this is 3 and then 5. So 2 like that, and then there, and then I'll probably put the pin down there, because like the way I usually do is like with like a pin order kind of thing, which comes just with that. So I'll probably do like the all or something, and then there, and then there to there, and then I solve this corner, that corner. Alright, not a bad scramble. Alright, now it's time for the last scramble. Alright, here we go. So you've got 2 and then 2. So probably, because, you know, a 6 on the bottom is really bad, I'll probably hold it like this. And then here, it's just a 2. So I'm probably going to start on this side first. Just remember 6. So I do the 2, and then the 4, 4, 1, and then I go straight into the 6. There, I see no corner skips here. And then, alright, so there's the 12 clock example solves. If you'd like me to do some, like, critique your solves, then send me some solves. Make sure to get a good angle so I can, like, see what you're doing, and send me the scrambles, because I want to work more with, like, people who, like, are slower than, whoops, so I can see what they're doing. Like, for example, I forget, like, what I was doing when I was, keep dropping my phone, when I was averaging 10 seconds and stuff, because that was a while ago, so I want to see what, like, you're doing, so I can help you. So if you want to send me some solves, that would be nice. And then, yeah, I'll probably do a video on the secret method, going more into detail with it. And then probably maybe do some more example solves. Hopefully these example solves helped you out. So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, hope to get some more clock tip videos out soon. I finally finished with the school year, so I have a lot more time on my hands to make videos like these. So thanks for watching. Bye.